How long you been driving a big truck?
In Hawaii, 9 years. In mainland is gonna be 3 years now.
3 years now. Oh wow! What are your tips to be aspirant truckers?
I like drive truck.
You love to drive truck?
Yeah.
Okay, so you took an examination. Is that class A, right?
Yeah, class A.
Class A? Is it hard to drive? Where is your truck? This is your truck, right?
Yeah.
That is so big, sir. Yeah, so actually this is a project for me, my YouTube channel, because you know now there are a plan for making is a AI robot truck. What do you think of that one? Do you think it's possible? It's gotta be hard.
It's gonna be hard, but they already told they already put that one in the YouTube and anything that. Yeah, they already test, but I don't know. I never.
Yeah, I know they are trying to make a truck like EV, electric vehicle truck.
Tesla, I seen one Tesla last.
Yeah, do you think it's possible?
Yeah, the Tesla, I seen it. I seen it one in last week in Reno.
Oh, Reno, Nevada.
Yeah.
What truck stop there? I'm gonna interview this.
I-80.
I-80,
Yeah.
I-80 truck stop in Reno, Nevada.
Yeah.
Also, they already started it.
Yeah, they already started that one.
Oh, I could not imagine.
Yeah, I couldn't believe, but I already seen it last week because I stayed in Reno last week.
So
Yeah, I seen it one Tesla truck. That one is still in the middle. That you know the driver.
yeah,
Stay in the middle.
there is a driver or
Yeah, there's a driver that one, but he's still in the middle, not like this truck.
oh, not
still
like
on the
this that you
side.
are on the left side.
No, that one, the Tesla truck is in the middle.
Ah, okay. And what will happen if? But there's still a truck driver. You won't lose job, right? You still have the job.
Yeah, still a job.
What makes the difference is it's electric. It's not a diesel.
That one, I don't know. I cannot answer that one. Yeah, I cannot answer that one. You know,
So-
I never been try that one for drive.
Oh, so there,
Just only this one.
this one, huh? So
Yeah.
how many gallons of gasoline?
That one can
This-
hold 200 gallons.
200 gallons?
Yeah, each tank is 100 gallons.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
so 200 gallons.
Oh, okay. Is this your truck or
No, I is only company driver.
company driver? So how's the money making there? Is it good?
Good enough.
Good enough.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So how many days you work in a week?
Because this one going to Mississippi. My
Mississippi?
road. Yeah. So it's gonna be takes 3 days.
3 days. What are
Yeah.
you loading in this truck there?
Uh,
What is your cargo there?
slot machine.
Slot machine. Oh wow.
Yeah,
So
that's all, a casino machine.
casino machine.
Yeah.
So you're gonna bring it to Mississippi from where?
From Las Vegas.
From Las Vegas. So that is a brand new machine.
Yeah.
Oh.
Machine.
Oh, very
I'm gonna go deliver to casino.
to the casino.
Yeah. So
The,
I'm doing all casino.
all casino.
Yeah,
Oh,
all
okay. So you how many times a week you work?
It depends. It depends. So
Oh.
after I drop this load to Mississippi,
Uh-huh.
I have to come back.
To come back to Las Vegas.
Yeah.
So
Take another load again.
so you are Las Vegas, Mississippi, Las
Yeah.
Vegas, Mississippi.
No, anywhere.
Anywhere.
Anywhere. All casino.
All casino. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Are you happy with your job?
Yeah, I do.
You do? Oh, very good. Okay. So, you don't mind? I'm gonna put you on my YouTube channel, Nurse Nomadic RX. I'm not a truck driver. I'm a nurse, but I really appreciate you guys. Big respect to you guys during the pandemic.
Thank you so
Oh,
much.
we wait for your supply to come up. We could not imagine our hospitals, clinics without you guys. So you are heroes.
Yeah.
So that's why I make a channel designed for this.
Yeah, what is your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel, Big Trucks USA.
Big Truck USA.
Yeah.
Write it down.
Yeah, Big Trucks USA. You can write it, and then what is your name?
Juven.
Juven. Oh, my name is Rosario. I'm a nurse, traveling nurse.
Oh.
And I feature about trucks in America. But who knows someday, what will happen? They just become a robot or whatever. I have all the compilations of these big trucks, and you guys can always visit there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so,
okay.
yeah.
I gotta search you in the YouTube.
Yeah, Big Trucks USA.
Big Truck
and
USA.
yeah, Nurse Nomadic RX. And I'm gonna write it. And thank you very much
Yeah.
and for being in my interview now. And you
Yeah.
don't want to be, it's okay with you to be in my YouTube channel,
No
right?
problem, yeah.
Okay,
That's
great, sir. Okay,
Yeah, thank you so much.
thank you so much, and happy trip. Have a
Yeah.
nice day.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.